This entire e-commerce campaign started from just one product photo. From that single shot, I built out the product assets, the ad campaign, the listing images, and a complete landing page. No professional studio shoot. And without rebuilding everything from scratch every time I needed a new asset. The best part, I'm going to take this exact workflow and turn it into a reusable AI design skill. That way, the next time I run a campaign, the AI already knows the exact playbook. Most people get this backwards right from the start. They upload a raw photo and prompt. Make this into a premium advertising poster. Sometimes the output looks great. Nice lighting, clean background, solid composition. The problem? That's all you've got. One nice image, not a design system. A real e-commerce rollout needs different assets serving different purposes, all while staying totally on brand. So before generating a single campaign visual, I need the AI to nail two fundamental questions. What are we actually selling, and what should that look like visually? I kick things off by feeding the AI the product brief alongside the raw photos. I have it break down the target audience, core value props, and the right visual tone. A tech gadget demands structure, precision, and a clean, functional vibe. Beauty is all about texture, mood, and how it feels on the skin. Food is a different game entirely. Its only job is to look appetizing. Nothing overly complicated here. I just want guardrails, so the AI isn't making random creative decisions down the line. Once we lock the direction, the rest of the project has a clear foundation. Now, let's fix the raw product photo. Real client assets are rarely perfect. The lighting might be flat, the background messy, or the material just doesn't pop on camera. So first, I clean up the base image. Better lighting, isolated background, sharper material textures. Crucially, the core product itself stays intact. Here's the trick. If you only give the AI a single angle, your consistency falls apart the second you change the scene. So I generate dedicated reference views, front, side, back, and any detail angles we might need. Now the AI has a complete 3D visual mental model of the product, which pays off immediately. Next up, I generate a single hero visual. This is the most critical image in the entire project. Not because we'll reuse it everywhere, but because it sets the standard for the entire campaign. The lighting style, the color palette, the environment, composition, and typography cues. Once this is locked, every subsequent prompt references it directly. Instead of starting from ground zero every generation, we're iterating on an approved design language. Now, we can start scaling it up. Let's put the product on a model. If you just prompt, put this product on a model, you'll get an image, but generate a second one, and suddenly you have a completely different face, random lighting, clashing wardrobe, and a distorted product. Instead, feed the AI your multi-angle product assets and the hero visual. Then define the model, the pose, the environment, and the camera shot. It gives you complete control. From there, expanding is effortless. Vertical story ads, horizontal banners, square feed posts, real-world mock-ups. The win here isn't just that AI made them quickly, it's that they actually look like one unified campaign. Ad creatives sell the vibe. Listing images have to do the heavy lifting. They need to communicate value fast, what it does, why it matters, and why the customer should care. Don't just generate 6 slightly different glamour shots. Give every image a clear job. One introduces the product, one highlights a standout feature, one demonstrates real-world use, one breaks down technical specs, another handles a major customer hesitation. Now your gallery functions as a conversion funnel instead of a repetitive gallery. It's a subtle shift, but the results speak for themselves. Now for the real test, the long-form landing page. This is where people always make the mistake of trying to do everything in a single prompt. A full page involves long copy, dozens of visual assets, multiple selling points, strict product consistency, and complex layout hierarchy. Throw all that at an AI at once, and it collapses into a generic mess. Always structure the layout first. Hero introduction, core value proposition, feature deep dive, real-world use cases, social proof and specs, final call to action. Once the blueprint is set, generate it section by section, anchoring every block back to your base product assets and hero visual. And remember, show, don't tell. If a premium material is the selling point, generate a macro shot of the texture. If construction matters, create an exploded technical view. Writing premium build is just a claim. Showing the detailed grain is proof. In commercial design, proof wins. Now that the visuals are ready, we need production-ready delivery. If you're handing this over to a client or internal team, they'll need editable files. Copy changes, layout tweaks, and revisions will happen. Whenever possible, break the assets into layers and export a clean PSD. That bridges the gap between an AI concept and a real-world production workflow. The system is built, but repeating these prompts manually for every new SKU defeats the point of automation. So we package the entire pipeline into a reusable AI skill. This isn't about saving one massive prompt, it's about saving the workflow. The sequence of steps, the structural rules, the visual constraints, the quality checks before moving forward. Next time a new product comes in, I just drop in the raw photos and the brief. The AI already knows the drill. Analyze first, build references, lock the hero visual, and scale out. No more staring at an empty chat box trying to remember what worked last time. This is where the real value of AI design lives. A good prompt solves one problem once. A solid workflow solves it every time. Stop asking, how do I get the AI to spit out a cooler image? Start asking, how do I turn my creative process into a repeatable system? That's the shift from playing with image generators to building a scalable production pipeline. I'm actively testing workflows like this, finding what holds up, what breaks, and what's worth building into full design skills. If you want to see how these systems are built, hit subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.